Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to Cognizant interview preparation for the 2025 batch. As we know that on-campus hiring is ongoing for 2025 batch. GenC Pro, GenCNext is the role, and in the particular video we will discuss about how to prepare for Cognizant interview and technical HR interview. I will share the free resources with all of you as well as the interview experience. Like and share the video. Everything is present on our channel for free, like we are sharing everything for free. Just understand that we already completed so many company series, and we also provide the Cognizant 2025 batch preparation as well. Okay, so from today onwards we are sharing the interview preparation video. So let's start. Okay, so in the particular video we will discuss about Cognizant interview free interview preparation. Okay, what is the today's agenda? Introduction to session. Okay, introduction to session, how to start preparation, technical HR interview questions, and GenCNext and GenC Pro interview questions. Okay, so the thing is you have to prepare very well for GenCnext, GenC Pro interview. So let's begin. Okay, just understand that 2 months ago, okay, many candidates selected in Cognizant. Your videos helped me a lot. I selected through our campus, got Cognizant sir 2 months ago, finally placed, got selected GenC Cognizant, got selected for Cognizant GenC role. Thank you Lokesh sir for giving update and resources to learn. I got placed in Cognizant. It was done based on your videos bro. So for 2025 batch same, okay, we provided the free preparation video for that is related to 2025 batch. So we are continuing this series. Let's discuss about the Cognizant interview preparation. That is very important. As we know that there are three type of roles. Okay, three type of roles are there in the current hiring. First is GenC, second is GenC Pro, and third is GenCNext. GenC 4 LPA, GenC Pro 5.4 LPA, and GenCNext is 6.75 LPA. Okay, let's discuss about the 25 hiring process and tentative timelines. So as we know that communication assessment is completed, aptitude and technical assessment is completed. If you cleared, so all shortlisted candidate will be notified on hiring category for interview, whether you are shortlisted for GenCNext, GenC Pro or GenC. Okay, this is the final technical interview, and after that LOI, letter of intent. Let's discuss about the Cognizant interview checklist. That is very important guys. Okay, and this checklist is mentioned by Cognizant team as well, so no need to worry about that. Okay, so the thing is like 10th 12th college mark sheet, provisional degree certificate, but in the 2025 batch I think only these things with you: 10th 12th and college mark sheet. Government ID proof, you have to make your PDF of your Aadhaar card, PAN card and driving license, and if you have passport, so good. Updated resume, very important. Okay, that is very important, and definitely they will give you option that you have to come with your updated resume. You have to update your LinkedIn profile as well, because sometimes also recruiter check your LinkedIn profile. You have to add your certification, project, internship. You have to upload your project on GitHub active link. So you have to update your LinkedIn profile. You have to add your certification, project, internship, because most probably the recruiter will also check. Upload your project on GitHub. Okay, that is active link. Suppose they will ask to show you your project. Okay, they will give you one laptop in which GitHub you can log in the GitHub. Okay, or they will provide you some other stuff. So you have to upload your project on GitHub active link. Okay, so they will check it's working or not. Okay, like what about the complete project, everything. So I suggest please we have to wait for the interview mail from Cognizant team. So we will definitely check the new interview checklist. Okay, this is the like mentioned interview checklist, like we can say that कि by default ये तो सारी चीज़ें होना चाहिए आपके पास. Okay, let's discuss about the Cognizant interview preparation. As we know that there are three roles. Okay, Cognizant GenC 4 LPA, GenC Pro 5.4 LPA, okay, and GenCNext 6.75 LPA. Designation is programmer analyst, and programming analyst trainee in the GenC. So in the GenC role, your projects, internships, certification, technical question and HR question will be asked. In the GenC Pro role, technical question, HR question, project, internship, certification, trending technology knowledge, and the basically the interview like the interview is medium to advanced. Okay, interview is medium to advanced. And in the Gen C, we can say that your interview is basic to medium. Okay, your interview is basic to medium. And in the Cognizant GenC next role, most probably the interview is advanced. So in the GenCNext role, technical HR question, project internship certification, basic, medium and advanced concept trending skill set. They will check technical skill set more. So this is about the Cognizant GenC Pro and GenCNext. Okay, how to prepare for that, let's discuss. So in the technical interview, first thing is resume. Okay, first of all, you have to prepare your resume. Mention only those things in which you are confident. Okay. Second is computer science subject, object oriented programming, operating system, DBMS, SQL, software development lifecycle, computer network, data structures and algorithm. These are the most important subject of computer science. Okay, and you also know about the third thing that is very important, programming language and trending tech, Python, C++, Java or any machine learning, NLP, AI, cloud, blockchain, IoT, according to your trending skill set. Okay, and fourth, very important in the technical interview is your project internship and certification. You have to upload your project on GitHub, technology used, role, real life use. Okay, so in the particular technical interview, in the technical round, okay, these are the most important thing. First thing is your resume. Resume is very important and you have to update your resume. Okay, updated resume is very important, guys. Okay, updated resume is very important. Then next is your computer science subjects knowledge. Okay, computer science subjects knowledge is, well, like you have to know about the data structures, algorithm, computer network, SQL, okay, DBMS, operating system and object oriented programming, because these are the 4 year these are the 4 year subject that you learn in your college time. Okay, the next is related to your projects. So project is very important, in how many project you worked, everything is related. Okay, then certification and internships is very important, but in like in the particular HR interview or technical interview they will ask, but the thing is technical interview is comprised of 4 section. Okay, let's discuss about the HR interview. In the HR interview they will ask, tell me about something about yourself, why should we hire you, are you willing to relocate, strength, weakness, are you team player, tell me something about the recent trend in IT industry, why do you want to join Cognizant. These are the most asked interview questions. Okay, let's discuss about the some of the offline interview experience of 2024 that is related to Gen Z. First they will ask the candidate introduction, very deeply about projects. Okay, type of SQL language. Okay, implement, grant and revoke. Implement, they are asking about the implement, so this is one of the most important point. If you are mentioning about any of the skill set, so they, you know about the implementation, difference between union and union all, implement cursor, what are index and what are its type, implementation of trigger, implementation of stored procedure. Just understand this all are SQL related question. Okay, SQL related question. Types of join, difference between primary key and unique key. Okay, 10 to 12 question were asked to write query, employee having salary greater than average salary, how to find current date, implementation of merging two column in SQL, delete duplicates from table. Okay, and the query based on join and various queries were asked based on aggregate function, joins and subquery. Okay, after this write a Python program to reverse a sentence, Python program to swap two variable without using third variable, Python program to implement lambda function, what is the need of lambda function, difference between list, tuple and dictionary. Understand one thing, first question is introduction, that I already mentioned that they will ask your introduction. Okay, like in which intro will be there. Okay, second is very deeply about your project, so second, fourth thing is project internship and certification. After that, type of SQL language, I mentioned that computer science SQL is very important. Okay, after that, whole interview, technical interview is on programming language concept and SQL concept, that I mentioned that computer science subject and programming language knowledge is very important. Okay, after that there were HR question, will you relocate, will you work in any shift, will you work in any technology. My interview was taken for exactly 1 hour. So basically previously in the GenC interview, in the GenC, like 2 to 3 months ago, there is a 2024 batch on campus hiring is completed. Okay, so the thing is they are taking the interview of 45 minutes to 1 hour. Okay, and it is a offline interview experience. So they will definitely ask the technical question. Okay, implementation of technical question. Okay, your projects very well. Okay, you know about the everything that you are mentioning. Suppose you are mentioning about what are the type of join. Okay, what are the type of join. So they will expecting that you know, at least know about the real life example for that. Suppose they ask what do you mean by object oriented programming. Okay, what does it means by DBMS. So instead of mentioning the definition, okay, you can mention the definition. Okay, plus add the real life example. Okay, like what is the use of DBMS, how DBMS and object oriented programming is helpful in the real life. So these are some of the things you can mention in your interview. Okay, let's discuss about the GenC interview experience, that is a second interview experience. He started with tell me something about, then following technical question were asked. Okay, so one thing, okay, suppose you are mentioning in your intro, you are mentioning that I am very proficient in Python, or I mention like I make the project in ML or machine learning, or I used the NLP, or I used the any of the trending technology. Okay, so most probably the next question will be come from that. Okay, because your TMA, why tell me about yourself, your introduction is very very good. Okay, so this is related to that. So tell me about your minor and major project. Can you elaborate major project? What is a Sligal services.in, a personal website created by me. Did you host in alone? Tell me entire process of web hosting. Why do you not host your website on cloud platform like AWS and Azure? So similar questions are coming, okay, from your first question. Are you aware about Python? Now the programming language question ask what is Django? Enlist the technology used in this website. What is bootstrap? What is PHP and MySQL? Write syntax to update column property. How you will combine two language. Write the code in chat box to combine two language. Okay, how you will retrieve the value submitted by this form. Why you are using RDBMS in your website. Tell me the OSI layer. Tell me basic pillars of OOPS. What is the difference between Java CPP? He gave me Java code and write output of particular code. Explain me the logic behind. Aptitude question are also they are asking in the particular interview. Okay, then HR question will be asked. Tell me about yourself. Why you choose Cognizant? Where do you see yourself in next 5 years? What if we assign you project which is not relevant to your skill? Okay, so this is about the GenC interview experience. Let's discuss about the GenC Pro. Okay, so in the GenC Pro, again I am mentioning everything. Okay, just a wait. So in the GenC Pro, in the particular GenC Pro, as we know that the salary is 5.4 LPA, guys. Okay, the salary is 5.4 LPA, and definitely they will ask the technical concept more. Okay, technical concepts is definitely they will ask more. They will check your trending technology knowledge. Okay, and you at least know about the basic plus advanced concept. Okay, basic to medium level at least you have to know. You have to at least know about the data structures algorithm, because they will definitely ask the salary is 5.4 LPA. And resume, your resume is very very important, because most of the questions from your projects, most of the questions from computer science subjects, most of your questions mainly based on your project computer science, and most of the questions are from previous question. Suppose you are mentioning I am proficient in SQL, they ask joins. Okay, so definitely they will, next question will be asked what is trigger. Okay, and suppose you mention any of the thing in the join answer, suppose you mention any of the example in the join, so they will ask the that related question. So you have to prepare very well for the GenC Pro as well, because the GenC Pro is the new role that it introduced by the Cognizant team. So in the 5.4 LPA they will definitely ask the medium to advanced level concept, so be ready for that interview, and definitely we will provide the interview experience for that. Let's discuss about the Cognizant GenCNext role, that is 6.75 LPA. and definitely the interview will of advanced level, because the package is 6.75 lpa. So they will ask everything, okay, like they will check your basic, they will check your medium, and they will check your advanced concept. But before going to the GenC next role interview experience, here are some of the free preparation website: Geeks for Geeks, Java T Point, W3 School, and YouTube. These are the most important website where you can prepare everything: computer science related subject, CSE related subject, okay, your projects related thing, how to prepare for project or how to explain project in the interview, okay, everything. You will find the HR related questions as well, interview bit for HR question, and for CS subject, oops, DBMS, SQL, operating system, software engineering, SDLC. This all websites are very very important, okay. And I am showing you some interview experience of Cognizant, in which you can follow, you can read as much as experience. There are a lot of experience present on GFG website, and in the Cognizant CTS placement preparation, everything is present: coding question, English comprehension, aptitude placement preparation, top picked interview experience, okay. So again I am mentioning, if you are preparing for any interview, you are shortlisted for GenC Pro or GenCNext, okay, you have to be ready with the SQL, okay, you have to be ready with the coding question, okay. Definitely they will ask, suppose you choose the cluster 1, cluster 2, or cluster 3. So as we know that there is a Java, there is a Python, and there is a C sharp. So they will definitely check the concept of languages as well, like they will check how much you have knowledge about the language, okay, how much you have knowledge about the SQL, how much you have knowledge about the HTML CSS part, how much knowledge about you have a cloud, okay, because they will ask the cluster, which cluster you choose in the technical assessment, okay. And for the Cognizant GenC next interview experience, on technical interview, what my interview asked me, first of all, I did not had any separate HR round, okay. So introduction, which I included brief my education, current GPA, CGPA, internship, project, anything you know about Cognizant, why Cognizant, okay. They ask me about skill language, which I mentioned in resume. Following me are the question: C language related question, can program compile without main function, okay. Extend and palindrome string, get, getter, sprintf, okay, like printf. If they say write script or show script, that means you have to write the code, okay. That is very very important, okay. This is the important thing: C++ language, data type, array, linked list, sort, array, what type of memory storage, pre-aggregation, post-aggregation. I was asked to code sorting with no specified algorithm on no time any time complexity on the video while sharing my screen with the interviewer. Basically this is virtual interview experience, okay. So they will ask hashing means, pointer versus function, namespace. They are checking your basic concept, medium concept, and advanced concept, okay. Tip: select language and remove the given template, write your own. Object oriented programming, what is OOPS, polymorphism type, normal form indexing, why we use SQL, data type, table versus field. I was asked to perform write join on the video conferencing, Python data type operator in Python, file handling, okay. As I mentioned, data analysis, ML, and deep learning regarding projects. So they may ask about pandas, NumPy basic, pandas, NumPy. After that, they will ask about Udacity scholarship for cloud native architecture, my experience and performance. My interview was scheduled for 10:30 to 12 p.m. slot, okay, but it will delayed by 2:30 p.m. Actually, the thing is, the interview is virtual, but now the interview is all offline, okay. And try not to rush out to give answer. Be little calm and speak out your answer in steady pace. Wherever you have doubt about the question, okay, ask politely to repeat or ask for doubt, and also keep talking in between to demonstrate your thinking process while solving, okay. Overall, I found the interview was of moderate level. The number of question asked were more, but the question were comparatively easy. So the thing is, you have to prepare very well for your interview, okay. Definitely they will check each and everything your interview, okay. These are the CS important subject, these are the free preparation resources, and this is the complete Cognizant interview preparation video. I hope you like the video. If you have any kind of doubt, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video.